Hey guys, it's Alexandria X here and welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup routine because I just like my makeup routine. Of course, it's not everyone's cup of tea to do the kind of makeup I do. Not saying I think I'm talking too much, and let's just get into the routine. I have my mirror in front of me. I always wash my face before I do it. I already did that off camera. But to lay down my eyebrows, I use Edge Booster. Yes, I literally use edge control to do my eyebrows. Just do that. Very easy, very simple. Because since my eyebrows are naturally like thick and bushy, I go and get them waxed, and they always make them like the perfect shape, to the point where I don't need to shape any kind of, I don't need to shape my eyebrows, just lay them down and make them look nice and slick with edge control, and that is that. Next, I use this Ruby Kisses No More Blemish pressed powder. I think it's in the color Toasted Almond, but this is kind of like a backup one because I usually use this one, this Kiss New York coverage in the color Cappuccino, but they ran out at the beauty supply store, so I had to pick up this one. So I probably need to go to another beauty supply store to pick up that one. Really rub it really hard, my fingers, get as much as I can. And just rub it all on my eye. What I do is I take BB cream, and I'm using the NK Perfection BB cream in the color light, medium, and medium. I went to the beach earlier in October, and I still feel like I have a little tan from that, so I'm not back to, because usually I would just use light medium, but since I went to the beach, I had to go to medium. But you know, it's gone, it's winter time, it's getting cold, so I'm starting to mix them, but now I do equal amount now. So I just take the top from light medium, and I'm not really almost out, but just kind of have a dollop of that right here. Just take this little mini foundation brush that I got on Amazon, and I just mix the colors, obviously. Now I always have to have some makeup wipes nearby, because like if I mess up my face or something, I always have to have the makeup wipes nearby. And then I just put it on. Gonna add a little more on my forehead, and I just go on and get to swiping. And sometimes I don't put enough, so I always have to like dap it in, but I don't take like a huge glop. Okay, next I use this beauty blender that I got from a wig packet that I got, but it actually came in handy because since the foundation powder is a little bit lighter than the Cappuccino one that I used to use, I like to pat, so I guess it can blend in a little more, but also kind of become the same color as the rest of my face. So I mainly like to go on and get it on the eyes. Now, next what I do is I do my eyeliner next. I just use the NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner, and I just kind of do a weighing, cut this clip, and do my eyeliner off screen, because sometimes I can do a one and done, sometimes it takes me forever to get it back. So I'm gonna cut this and then come on back. I guess I can show you guys like what I do so when I mess up. So like I like this, I actually do my right eye first, and typically my left eye is always the eye that cuts up, but this time around I actually like my left eye. So to like fix it, I just take some of the powder. This is why with the old one that I had, It was nice and easy. I just take some on my finger. But now I have to kind of also still incorporate some of my BB cream. Like, make sure I'm not doing too much. And then get my sponge and dap it up again. So yeah, there you go. All right, so I'm back and I finally got my wings together. Don't know if y'all can tell. So now I just fill it all in, which is pretty difficult. And to let my eyeliner dry, I move over to my blush. And for blush, I don't even really even use a real blush. This is the LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and you already know which color I'm about to use based on what we are looking at here. I just do my brush just fell on the ground. This is also a mini brush that I also got. I got it like in a set off of Amazon when I was trying to use up one of my gift cards, like the Visa gift cards, and it had like $15 left on it, and I was looking up things under $5. So I just take this and I smile, and I don't do my blush like all in the, I don't do it, I just do my little apple cheeks, like I do baby doll cheeks, like how Barbie dolls and baby dolls look. That's how I do my blush. So I do. And I do it just enough to the point where I can see it. Like if it's starting to show up a little too much, like on the camera y'all can see it really well, but in person it's not showing up too much, I promise you that. And then I kind of take my finger and just kind of like tap it so it can kind of disperse away just a bit, but not too much. Let's say y'all can definitely see it on camera, like it's a little more noticeable on camera as opposed to right now. So now that my eyeliner has dried, I just take this Ruby Kisses eyeliner, this crayon eyeliner, and fill in the rest, and also do my waterline. And some days I do my waterline, some days I don't. It just depends on my mood. But today is a waterline kind of day. This is kind of gross, but listen, whenever you're doing your waterline, always make sure you don't have like any eye boogers in your eye, and to just make sure that doesn't happen, you have to get like really in there. And I have nails, so I'm like able to kind of get it out really easily. I feel like my waterline is usually a lot deeper than this, but I guess because the camera's on, it doesn't want to do what it wants to do. But usually I always go back in and darken them up some more anyway. So next I do my mascara, and this is the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I use two mascaras. This is the Ruby Kisses one, but Ruby Kisses makes another mascara that is way better than this one. This one sucks, but I still use it just to get a little more dimension. But I take my mascara routine quite seriously, since I don't wear eyelashes or anything like that. I don't want them to be like long, but you know, just to be a little more prominent. So how I do it is blow it out, and then I just always face your spoolie up like this. Okay, so now I just kind of let my eyelashes dry, and I always do my lips last, but I feel like out of my makeup routine, my lips are literally my favorite thing to do. I love doing my lip routine. It's just something about the lips that always completes the look. Like, yes, my makeup is done right now and whatnot, but trust and believe, when those lips are done, you won't even know. So now I also do my lower lashes. So like I said earlier, I was gonna have to come back to doing my waterline anyway, because I always deepen them before, and this is what we're looking like. So, and I make sure I get them good. My camera battery is flashing, which is fine anyways, because I need to charge it to begin with. So I'll come back when my lips are finished. Well, when I'm about to show you the lips. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Changed clothes because I have a dinner to go to, so I'm about to do my lips. I did my lower lashes, y'all can't really tell, and this is what completes my look for me. So first I take this Wet n Wild black eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. I feel like these just work way better than real lip liners. I just outline the top first. And then I just darken it some more just so it can stay on a lot longer. Next, I take the Wet n Wild, the other eyeliner and eyebrow pencil, but it's like in this darker brown color, and I put this right up under the black. After that, I just take some simple Carmex just so my lips can be moisturized, but not just because of that as well. It also starts blending the colors together. Next is the only lipstick that, or lip gloss color that matters. I use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Lava Cake. I love this one. It's like the only NYX one that I use, but it's so perfect. And I go over my lips like multiple times. But with this, don't ever put it on the black, only the brown. And you could end it off here, but for me, to top it all off, I just use some random lip gloss. This is the Broadway one that you get at the beauty supply store. Love this one. And I have a special way of putting it on because you see there's like no product there, because I feel like it just messes up the lips when I do that. So you just have to squeeze it. Make sure you get extra gunk off your teeth. And I used to, you know what, it's crazy, I actually used to use setting spray, but then I realized that setting spray actually makes my makeup look like the one I used to use is this one, and it's still a good one, but I want to purchase a fixing spray before I use a setting spray. But I use this Absolute New York Dewy probiotic one. It's supposed to make me look shiny, but I thought about it and I kind of already have like naturally oily skin, so I would just look like I'm sweating, but also it just ruined my makeup, so I just stopped using the setting spray. Even though it smells good, I just stopped using it. Make sure my lips are okay, still make sure there's no gunk in my teeth, and this is my routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially subscribe, and I hope that y'all have a good day. Bye.